We are working on 2021 Chevy Trailblazer, replacing the valve cover itself. Reason for that is that we have a PCV valve that is built into this valve cover, and we're getting a P0171 code, and that means we are running lean, and this diaphragm inside this valve cover or the PCV valve has failed and is sucking extra air in from there, throwing our air fuel ratio completely off. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this pretty little 3-cylinder valve cover. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do some wiring harness, clear up the way here, our surrounding, get the connectors off, get these 3 coils off. 8mm bolts are holding it. Okay, so far I have released clips here all around. Here is our wiring harness that goes under here into those turbo solenoids and purge valve, etc. Coil wires, and these are removed out of the way. Pop this line off from here, get some slack on the wire here, go ahead and give you access to these. Be very careful with these small plastic hoses, they might be brittle, more brittle over time. Couple little vacuum lines back there, so we're gonna go ahead and gently remove them. Coils undone, let's pull them out. Next thing we're gonna do is make room to this area here. This plastic pipe is held with a screw back here. We're gonna go ahead and pop these covers off, get the air box out of the way to give us a good access to this bolt or nut. Box is out of the way, that gives us a better look on that 10mm. Let's undo that, and that gives us some slack. Then you're gonna go ahead and get the pick, get this clamp undone and pull it away. Preferably either push it away to the side or just remove the other clamp and get this piece out of the way to access a couple bolts behind the valve cover. Bolts all around are removed. There's 2 shorter ones on that coolant line. This clip here, have to break it loose and replace it with another clamp. On this one here, might be a little difficult to get to this clamp from there, so I'm gonna just remove it from that pipe there instead. That clamp, one-time use clamp, is removed. Took some cutting pliers and broke it loose, slide it off. Now it's time to move this hose a little bit out of the way and finish this valve cover out from there. Okay, I had to undo this turbo cooler line hose, or the clamp right here, and remove the hose. I blocked it I blocked it off with my fingers. Lift this up as high as you can to slide it out, and that reveals our cylinder head. Now we have to clean up this surface, and what a board design. This here is a timing belt in oil. That's something what I don't know, maybe they have association with Ford 1.5 EcoBoost or 1.3 EcoBoost, I think, or 1 liter. It's a 1 liter EcoBoost or whatever they call it, and it has also a wet timing belt. That's insane. Anyways, let's clean up the surface. Cover reseated, bolted down. Now it's time to go ahead and snake these wires under here, reconnect it to the turbo side and on the solenoid. Let's drop our coils back in, put our 10mm nut back in here to hold this piping, reconnect the pipe, and put our air intake box back. Everything reassembled, all the hoses are attached, air box is back. Time to clear the code and return the vehicle to the customer. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and leave a comment.